In this module, we are going to discuss in detail about scope of communication technologies in rural development. Electronic media have revolutionized communication media, resulting in the emergence of new communication devices such as television, satellite communication, video cassette, teletext, video text, supercomputers, mini computer, fax machine, and word processor. Besides improving the function of old technologies such as radio broadcasting, printing press, telephone, telegraphs, etc. Many such devices are already playing an important role in communicating agriculture technology to farmers, while others have a good potential in this regard. Since most of the communication media emerged to provide entertainment for the urban population, media communicators are facing several problems while enlarging their role for providing education and information to the rural population. To accelerate the process of development, it is therefore important to codify the definite policy, lay down guidelines, and set up centers capable of planning and producing good need-based programs for the rural population. Satellite communication. Satellite communication has become a part of our communication system. It plays an important role in reaching millions of people spread throughout the corner of the country. In achieving more accuracy in weather forecasting and transmission of various educational programs for schools and colleges and of development programs for rural listeners. The interactive video disc system consists of a video disc player, microcomputer, and monitor. According to Vijay Raghavan et al., the monitor accepts signal from both the computer and the disc player. This enables simultaneous presentation of video images, text, and computer graphics on the screen. This system has a great potential for training students, farmers, and extension workers. Lessons can be preferred for different levels of comprehension and for location-specific training. Computer-assisted instruction. It is a natural outgrowth of the application of the principles of program learning. The computer can store the massive amount of organized information which can be made available for individualized instruction to meet the needs of the particular learner. Computers. The computer is one of the powerful devices for storing and processing information. Widespread use of computers has developed to develop several computer-based devices and techniques. Word processor and laser printer are increasingly being used to the communication centers, printing houses for printing agricultural extension publications, reports, newsletters, etc. With the help of microcomputer, it is possible to have graphic illustrations prepared which facilitate comprehension of extension publications. Computer via satellites can take pictures of clouds to accurately forecast weather condition, and remote sensing techniques can accurately work out land use, area under forest, and the like. With the help of fax machine, message including illustration can be transmitted to one place to another easily. Thus, all such devices and others in the pipeline have a great potential in agricultural communication. Trends in communication technologies. Information is an important resource in agriculture, animal husbandry, and development of industries in rural areas. The main function of extension is the transfer of information. Inadequacy of the trained staff and enormity of target audience rely on mass media to enhance the reach of the latest technologies. Print media, about 9,937 newspapers are being published and the circulation of 52 millions. Though circulation of newspaper in India is low, example about 2 copies per 100 persons. Readership per copy is higher than developed countries. Print media often serve as the only in hand memory and available to the rural population. The major constraints are poor purchasing power, illiteracy, and inadequate coverage. Radio. Radio is the oldest and widely used communication device for transfer of agricultural information in villages. It is the device which whole mass can be contacted at a time. efficiently and economically. Rural radio forums are the most widely adopted approach for transmitting information in rural areas. Television. Television was introduced in India in 1959 primarily to impart education and to promote rural development. At present, with its vast network throughout the country, it is covering about 58% of the population spread over 36% of the geographical area and has emerged as a powerful medium of communication. However, it is mostly viewed as a medium for entertainment. Although its audience is mostly in urban areas, television is fast reaching rural areas as well, and there is much scope to increase the transmission hours for agriculture and rural development programs and to justify the basic objective of its introduction in India. In order to use television effectively for communicating improved agricultural technologies to the rural viewers, it is essential to understand its educational implications. Television has the quality of direct address. In other words, every viewer feels as if he is being talked to personally. The television camera can project a television personally through close-ups, etc., into something larger than life. As such, television covers prestige over media personalities. Its visual magnification and sound amplification characteristics make this medium unique, as viewer can have a full view of even tiny objects, can hear and feel the heartbeat of even a mouse, and see the things happening in a process as in real life. In the developing countries like India, diversities in culture, agriculture, agroclimatic variation, language and demographic ecological imbalance exist. Hence, the major thrust is to provide fastest communication system. As such, in India space program, the primary aim is the application of space science and technology to national development objectives through mass communication and education via satellites. The TV network in India launched 13 satellite channels. Several new technologies have made their entry over the last decade. The important among the digital video compression, high definition television and enhanced definition television. Other electronic gadgets like audio and video cassette record player and video cameras can be used by extension agents for agriculture information transfer. They are useful in diffusing improved technologies in organizing quality training programs for farmers. In addition to being versatile, mobile, adaptable and relatively low cost, their content can be reproduced. Teletext. It is a system somewhat likely view data in which printed information is telecast through television rather than transmitted through a telephone line. It has no interactive capacity and it has a very much smaller database. Microcomputer. Through a microcomputer on the farm, the farmer can process accounts and data from their production. Many extension agents in industrialized countries now have microcomputers and can make similar calculation for farmers. Network system. Network system in which view data is connected with the microcomputer of the farmers or extension agents. This makes it possible to use data or computer programs from view data in the microcomputer or a process data from the farm in the view data mainframe computer, which can accommodate more complicated models than a microcomputer. Optical communication technology. Use of light waves for communication purpose gave rise to the modern technology of optical communication. It is in this new method optical fibers that are very thin, long span to ultra purity glass are being used to link the transmitter and the receiver. Human voice, TV pictures and computer data can be transmitted and received with great ease and convenience using optical fiber communication techniques. Cellular mobile. It is popularly known as car telephone, and this service allows two-way communication between a mobile or a fixed telephone and another mobile or fixed telephone. The mobile phones need to be fixed to an air, but if the set is portable, one can carry it wherever he moves. Electronic data interchange. It enables two organizations, usually a customer and supplier, or exchange routine documents using standard electronic forms and their own computers linked through a service provider. Significance of information technology in rural development. Economic poverty requires strengthening infrastructures for harnessing physical resources and cultivating intellectual and creative resources like those that build human capital. Inadequate information affects the rural development sector. Government agencies lack the information needed for sufficient distribution of agricultural products, for ensuring food security, for providing protection against natural calamities like drought, flood, and fine, of natural resources management. Information can be ranked as an important production factor in a category with land, labor, capital, and energy. Economic development is about information and knowledge. How to organize society for the promotion of productive activities in the community and to create an environment friendly investment. Timely access to information is a crucial ingredient for the success of any development effort. Thus, development has to be a knowledge based process. The National Informatics Centers, Ministry of Information Technology and Government of India have introduced information technology to facilitate planning, monitoring and exchange of information among different agencies of rural development administration. Effective coordination of these activities requires a network-oriented strategy in the context of participatory development being contemplated by the government organizations, people action groups. Advanced communication technologies like multimedia. Multimedia have influenced the quality of extension work. It encompasses all the traditional forms of communication like video, stills, graphics, audio, or animation and text is an excellent tool for extension communication. The computer integrates all this media into a single platform and provides interactivity to the system. It encourages feedback from extension worker to research and helps to develop technologies of relevance to farmers. Interactive computer video technology. One of the most popular multimedia technology that has been used in the ICTV. It links the computer to audio video replay in such a way as to provide the trainee with institutionalized, truly interactive instruction, can contribute to problems of relevant form information and improve the quality of extension services. The only constraints are inaccessibility to computer and illiteracy of farmers. Their most beneficial and practical use appear to be in training of agriculture extension staff to upgrade the quality of their services and to improve relevance of technical information to farmers. Interactive video disc is one of the popular multimedia technology. There is a video disc player which accesses the video images stored on a 2-channel audio disc. This is especially valuable in the Indian context because it becomes a bilingual package. Other media of information are text, graphics, animation and digitalized audio which supplement the audio on the video disc. Video text refer to an information system with which text and graphic information is transmitted and then received either by a video text television or an ordinary television set with an adapter unit. This concept has been developed to provide a method of low-cost information delivery in offices and homes. A video coupled with a microcomputer permits editing as well as retrieval of information on a video text packet. Video text links TV set through a television line to mainframe computer which may have lot of information. It is fully interactive system in that you can communicate with the computer. Interactive video text. The video text which is transmitted via telephone cables, data line or private network is called interactive video text. It is fully an interactive system and can even print a hard copy of any page that appears. Its two-way nature helps users access to thousands of pages stored in a number of computers that may be geographically dispersed but are in communication with each other using the normal telephone network. The user dials the required number or video text device automatically dials the local video text computer. The television set displayed the video text page and asks the user to use the available index or to key in the required page number. Its attributes make it is a potential teaching medium. It can be efficiently used in training and in distance education. Teletext is a generic word for text-based information systems available on a public or network basis. Anyone who installs a video presentation system may require one of the Telestick variant. The best known is broadcast teletext. This is relatively a limited information library containing up the minute public information, including news, weather reports, current events, travel information, stock market prices, etc. The information reaches the viewer by a hidden part of the normal broadcast television program and even used to produce subtitles for the program. Teletext can be sent digital pages of information using scanned lines of the television picture and not viable within an encoder. The information potential for teletext is almost limitless. Teleconferencing is so rational, it will never succeed, says Fruitest Nasbet in his best-selling book Megatrends. In a state with 114 countries covering over 69,000 square miles, it is often too costly in terms of time and money. Extension personnel to travel for face-to-face meetings. On the other hand, audio teleconferencing permits rapid communication with less travel. The new integrated digital communication system is being used. This technique will add new dimension of control, timing and flexibility to communication. Instead of traveling mile for a meeting, conference rooms will be wired and cameras will be used to carry images and visuals. The time and cost of traditional day-to-day communication will thus be reduced. Video conferencing. A telephone or radio network may be used to provide audio communication among groups at two or more locations. This is called audio teleconferencing. A video channel added to an audio link between groups by means of satellite communication. Microwave transmission or two-way cable television system is video conferencing. Video teleconferencing is also known as video conferencing. Experts sitting in the studio listen to the questions and answer live on television. The system reduces the need for travel and is for much help to the groups in remote areas. Internet is the worldwide network for computer networks. It is an open interconnection of network that enables connected computers to communicate with each other. These networks are scattered over the globe, yet are interconnected, making it possible to communicate with each other in a few seconds. Internet is not owned by an individual organization or the country. It is a free for all open service facilities. It is governed by Intranet Network Information Center. The Internet Rural and Agricultural Development. Internet service is fast, becoming a tool for development communication. However, most rural communities are not able to take advantage of this new mechanism or tool. According to Food Agricultural Organization, recommends an integral approach to facilitating internet services and application that will benefit rural communities and agricultural organizations. This approach is base cultured on FAO's experience with communication for development methodology, begins with the needs of rural people and grassroots agricultural organization. and work to establish vertical and horizontal channels of communication. Successful rural and agricultural internet communication and information systems have some common element. Some of the elements include preliminary participatory assessment of communication and information needs with intended users, awareness building, sensitizing decision makers, commitment to manage and sustain these services, provision for technical training. Terms used with Internet. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a wide hypermedia information retrieval initiative aiming to give universal access to a large universe of documents, hypermedia in a natural extension of hypertext, in that content of each document not only include text but also images, sounds and video. WWW provides a consistent means to access a variety of information in a simplified manner to user on computer networks. Web browser. Web browser is a software program which facilitates to access the information and present it on the screen and helps in navigation on the internet. The browser provides with powerful and easy to use features that allow to take full advantage of web content. The browser presents the formatted text, images, sound or other objects such as links in the forum of web page on the computer screen. The web browser, also called a client programs, which takes commands from user and send requests to web server to get information from it and present it in the browser window. Web page is a single unit of information called a hypertext document. A web page may consist of multimedia content such as text, image, sound and videos. A group of web page created by one person or company or organization is referred as website. A hyperlink can be used to link other documents, sounds, images, database, email, addresses, etc. The links contained in web pages can print to areas within the same page to other page residing on the same web server or the page sitting on the computer on the other side of the world. Hyperlinks are usually underlined and are referred as URL. Integrated information system. Both traditional extension methods like folk media, demonstration method, puppetry, etc. and recent information technologies, computer aided extension, space application should be blended in a suitable manner to disseminate the information in the rural areas. We live in the age of information explosion. An appropriate blended of information method should be done based on the needs of the villages. Beside this, mass media should be linked with interpersonal media. In such cases, radio, in the case of radio, rural farmers to increase the effectiveness of communication. Advances in telecommunication and global communication networks enable us to access, collect, process and deliver information from one location to almost anywhere in the world. A computer and a telephone make it possible to have access to any kind of information stored in a computer anywhere in the world. The capability of exchange of information on the global basis has been made possible through a powerful communication tool, the satellite, which have shrunk the world into global telecommunication networks, enable us to access, collect, process and deliver information from one location to almost anywhere in the world. Let me conclude. Access to information and improved communication is a crucial requirement for sustainable rural development. Modern communication technologies, when applied to conditions in rural areas, can help to improve communication, increase participation, disseminate information and share knowledge and skills. It is being said the cyber extension would be the major form of technology dissemination in rural and in the near future. Improved communication technologies are generating possibilities to solve problems of rural poverty, inequality and giving an opportunity to bridge the gap between information rich and information poor and support sustainable development in rural and agricultural communities. Still, lack of basic communication infrastructure. The challenge is not to improve the accessibility of communication technology to rural population, but also improve the relevance of information to local development.